Hello, the alarm from 2620 is active. Today we will see how to use static imports and their benefits. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you like my video, like, comment and share. So static imports are very useful in making your program readable and your coding easier. So you use static imports when you want to import static members of a class. To demonstrate that one, let's use the static members of the Java math class. So before we demonstrate the static imports, let's use the Java maths class libraries. And to use that one, let's write, you run this one, you'll get the square root of 5. But to make your coding efficient and simple and readable, you can use static imports. So you can say import static and then, so here we are importing the static member. So we can say here without the maths class square root. So this one refers the square root that we have imported. If we want to import most of the static members of a class, you can use the wildcard or the star symbol to import all of the methods. So we can use other methods here as well. Let's say, so this method will make 5 multiplied by 5 itself, 5 to the power of 2, and it will print the result. So that's how you import static members and make your coding easier and make your code easily readable as well. Thank you for your time.